Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, big bore kits, okay? Evo, twin cam, whatever, okay? You got masses of options on big boring. Okay, you can go for your Ultima cylinders. You can go for your Keith Black pistons. These are hyper-eutectic. Okay, Keith Black prefers these hyper-eutectic pistons. Sputhe, billet forged, top of the range, really, really high tech. You know, really, really super hard. Okay. There's your Sputhe 104 ring kit. We also do a 95. We have got Keith Black, as I say. We've got J&E. We've got Sputhe. We've got Wiseco. Again, very, very famous make. Ross Racing pistons. The Kuryakin Wild Things, which, as you can see here, these are Kuryakin, but they're also made by a firm called CP High Performance Pistons. Don't know much about them, but Kuryakin generally don't sell shit. Single fire ignition kit. This is after you've done all this, you want to get a real decent spark. Okay, Ultima big bore cylinders and heads. These are like a 120 cubic inch kit. So if you're interested in increasing your performance, we do stroker cranks, we do new cases, your S&S, etc. Keep masses of stuff in stock. Okay, Custom Cruisers UK do a huge range of products. Crash helmets, we do billet wheels, we do clothing, you name it, you know, all your fancy gear, all your footrests, your leathers, your helmets, your gear. No fear stuff for racing. Okay, we've got billet wheels, we've got 6-speed boxes, right side drive, left side drive, we've got brake upgrades, we've got Fords, we've got big fat wheels, masses of grips, masses of service items, brake pads, oil filters, top of the range oils. Big bore kits, this is a big bore Ultimus kit. This one here, S&S bottom end. You got here all your oil pumps, twin cam Evos, different years. Okay, we do the TP Performance Total Performance pumps. Very, very good. They're actually a 3-gear one, which clean the oil on the way in, which unlike most Harleys is on the way out, which to me is bloody crazy. Got a 3-piece on mine, 3-gear setup. Okay, you got your brakes here, you make it go faster, you want to stop. So here, as you can see, we've got P&M, we've got different discs, we've got your billet wheels. These aren't cast like the Harley ones, proper CNC, machined out of one lump of alley. Okay, so massively, massively more strength. Different wheels, these are your Peacemaker exhausts. Peacemakers, you can adjust the volume as you go along, a bit like Jekyll and Hyde, but way, way cheaper. Okay, if you're interested in these products, give us a bell, 01773 835 666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com, or the new site coming along, customcruisers.eu. Don't forget to check us out on YouTube, over 600 videos on parts. Thank you.